Jennifer Garland is the founder, president, and CEO of Prestige Inc., a leading national legal support services company serving corporations, law firms, and financial institutions. Since its founding in 2015, Prestige has become a trusted partner for clients across the legal and financial sectors, known for its extensive network of more than 257,000 field agents and its role in securing over $500 million in mass tort victim settlements in less than 3 years. Jennifer's leadership style, grounded in integrity, structure, and a relentless focus on quality, has transformed Prestige into a benchmark for excellence in the industry. Jennifer's journey into legal services began with her work as a paralegal for the Washington State Attorney General's office. In the complex litigation unit, she focused on consumer protection and gained first-hand experience with mass tort and Supreme Court cases, including the landmark $25 billion multi-state agreement with the nation's largest mortgage servicers. This early exposure to high-stakes legal work taught her the value of rigorous processes and the impact of legal advocacy on real people's lives. Before founding Prestige, Jennifer managed a mortgage company, where she saw a persistent gap in the industry: the need for efficient, reliable, and well-vetted notary and legal support services. This experience shaped her vision for Prestige, a company designed to bridge that gap with a focus on precision, consistency, and client-centered service. From the outset, Jennifer built Prestige to meet the growing demand for high-quality legal support services without compromising on efficiency. What started as a solution to a logistical problem has evolved into a comprehensive legal services operation trusted by top law firms like White & Case, Vedder Price, and Morgan & Morgan, as well as thousands of title and escrow companies across the country. Central to Prestige's success is Jennifer's belief in the power of systems and structure. She sees innovation not as a gimmick but as a critical tool for scaling without sacrificing quality. From automating routine tasks to implementing AI solutions that review legal documents for errors, Jennifer leverages technology to streamline operations while freeing her team to focus on high-value work. The result is a company that moves quickly, adapts effectively, and consistently delivers results that exceed client expectations. At the core of Jennifer's leadership philosophy is integrity. "I lead with integrity, deliver with consistency, and communicate with clarity," she explains. These values are the foundation of Prestige's reputation and the reason clients trust the company with critical legal processes. Jennifer's approach to leadership also emphasizes building strong teams. She believes in hiring people who are smarter, sharper, and more resourceful than herself, and then giving them the freedom and structure to excel. This mindset has allowed her to scale multiple companies simultaneously without compromising quality. Her teams are trained thoroughly, processes are standardized, and accountability is built into every layer of the organization. Jennifer's approach to challenges reflects her pragmatic and growth-oriented mindset. Whether dealing with client complaints or internal feedback, she views every problem as an opportunity to strengthen systems and raise standards. "I don't take criticism personally, I take it seriously," she says. This willingness to learn, adapt, and evolve has been key to Prestige's sustained growth and stellar reputation. Her approach is methodical. Identify the failure, fix it, and implement safeguards to prevent it from happening again. This cycle of continuous improvement ensures that the company not only resolves issues quickly but also becomes stronger with each challenge. Jennifer's success is no accident. It is the result of deliberate planning and disciplined execution. She starts every initiative with a clear vision of the desired outcome and then reverse engineers the steps required to achieve it. Quarterly evaluations keep the company agile, allowing her to pivot strategies based on performance data and market changes. This forward-looking approach extends to hiring and resource allocation as well. Jennifer believes in hiring key team members before they are urgently needed, building scalable systems, and exploring new markets and revenue streams well before they become industry trends. Strategic growth, not reactive expansion, is the guiding principle of Prestige's long-term vision. Trust is the cornerstone of Jennifer's business philosophy. From initial consultations to final deliverables, Prestige prioritizes reliability, transparency, and results. Jennifer understands that trust is built through consistent follow-through and clear communication. If challenges arise, they are addressed proactively, with a focus on solutions rather than blame. Maintaining that trust also means staying informed. Jennifer makes it a priority to track regulatory changes, legal trends, and emerging technologies that could affect her clients. By anticipating shifts in the industry, she positions Prestige to adapt quickly and maintain its relevance in an evolving market. She also takes a proactive approach to managing her reputation. By setting high standards, rigorously training staff, and responding promptly to potential issues, Jennifer effectively protects both the company's reputation and client relationships. Your reputation isn't just what people say about you, it's what they expect from you, she notes. I make sure that expectation stays high. In an industry built on trust, Jennifer understands the delicate balance between openness and confidentiality. She leads with transparency when it comes to pricing, processes, and expectations, but is uncompromising about protecting sensitive client information. This dual focus fosters strong client relationships while ensuring that legal and ethical standards are consistently upheld. While Jennifer's professional achievements are impressive, her interests outside of work reveal a leader with depth and perspective. She enjoys genealogy, travel, and collecting elephants, a passion inspired by the matriarchal nature of elephant herds, where the wisest female leads. This metaphor of leadership, grounded in wisdom, strength, and community, mirrors Jennifer's own approach to guiding teams and businesses toward long-term success. Jennifer Garland's story is one of vision, discipline, and unwavering commitment to excellence. From her early days in the Attorney General's office to leading a company that has redefined legal support services nationwide, she has built her career on the principles of integrity, innovation, and trust. Her focus on scalable systems, proactive problem-solving, and client-centered service has positioned Prestige Inc. as a leader in its field. But perhaps Jennifer's greatest accomplishment is not just building a successful business, it's building a culture of excellence that empowers people, earns trust, and delivers results. In a complex and competitive industry, she has proven that true leadership is not about being the smartest person in the room. It's about setting a vision, building the right systems and teams, and leading with the kind of integrity that stands the test of time. At its core, Jennifer Garland's leadership philosophy offers a simple but powerful blueprint: hire smart, build strong, act with integrity, and never stop improving. It is this mindset that has turned Prestige into a trusted partner for some of the nation's most respected law firms and corporations, and that will continue to shape its future for years to come.